Got a new smartwatch? Pairing it with your phone is the first step to unlocking all its features. In this video, I'll show you how to pair your Garmin D2 Air X10 quickly and easily. Download the Garmin Connect and Garmin Pilot apps from the App Gallery, Google Play Store, or App Store and install them. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. First, pair your watch with the Garmin Connect mobile app. Once paired, open the Garmin Pilot app. It will automatically detect your device. An icon will appear confirming the connection. Tap Home, then Connect to check device status. Tap Situational Data to explore live flight info, then go back. At the bottom under All Devices, you'll see a list of available devices, each showing icons that represent supported features like GPS, Flight Plan Sync, METARs, TAFS, and radar imagery. From Home, select Flight Plan to add waypoints using ICAO codes. Tap Edit on Map or tap to Edit to adjust the route. Once finalized, store the plan and go to Connect, then Flight Plan Transfer to send it to your Garmin device. And that's it! Your Garmin D2 Air X10 is now paired and ready to go. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tips. Thanks for watching.